In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to cancel your Google Workspace trial subscription before you're charged. First, log in using your administrator account credentials. Go to the Billing section, which you can find on the left-hand menu. In the Billing section, click on Subscriptions to view all active subscriptions, including your trial. Select your Google Workspace trial subscription from the list. Click on the More option. Click the Cancel Subscription. You'll be asked to provide feedback on why you're canceling. Click on Cancel Subscription one more time. Select the checkbox to confirm and enter the super admin email address for deletion. Once confirmed, your subscription will be canceled. If you want to completely delete your account, click on the Delete Your Account link. From here, you can completely delete the trial account. In my case, I need to remove a Google Cloud resource before being able to delete the account. If you log into a Google service, you might see this warning. It indicates that the trial subscription has been canceled successfully and you won't be charged on the expiration date. After delete the resources from the Google Cloud, I can delete the Google account now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.